Alright guys, so we got so many awesome stuff, so much stuff for the dental booth. I can't talk right now. The Daniel booth, the bunkhouse. So it all came via UPS, FedEx, and USPS, and we're unloading it right now. You're working so hard. Oh, you're so strong, Aiden. Bunk beds. Ooh, you're so strong, Aiden. Oh, that might be a chair. Good job, Aiden.
That's button beds?
Ooh, strong guy over here. Manhandle that thing. There's a lot of stuff in here. You're so strong, babe. This could be so much fun opening this stuff. These are, I think this is the chandeliers right here. What is this? Oh, is it 2 boxes? 1 bunk, 2 bunk. Yeah, 2 boxes per bunk bed. Go, Aiden, run, run, run. Run. Ow. Bunk 2, bunk 2, bunk 2. We're missing 2 of the long ones. Oh, Avery's got it. There you go, right there, up against the wall. Good job.
So you got
No, there's one more long one somewhere. One more long bunk bed piece. You need 6. Uh-oh. It's lost. No, it's the frame. Oh, man. So we got 1 frame missing. Triple bunk bed, trundle, black. Oh shoot, deer antlers. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. I don't really remember exactly how many chairs I bought, but there were 3 different type of chairs that I think I was gonna buy. 2 different ones. So, one's an ottoman. Oh, it's the blue one! Okay. This blue color, all the chairs turned into beds. This blue color was like $50 cheaper than the orange color. So, I like the blue better anyways. Just going in the kitchen area. Oh, it is. Let's see what this looks like. It's like a suede color. So these chairs are gonna go there and there underneath those windows. These blue chairs are gonna go in the kitchen area. So that's exciting. I got 2 of those, 2 of these, and 1 of the ottoman bed. It's an ottoman that turns into a bed. And I was thinking we could put that right here as the coffee table. We can just put like a tray on it. So that'd be perfect. So it'll be a bed and an ottoman. And we can move it out of the way if we don't need it. So this one goes with that one. Perfect. These are the chandeliers. Super excited about that. Now I need to find out what these other things are. And then we'll be ready to go. This is a 5-piece snack tray set, which is pretty awesome. It is a table with tray tables underneath it. It's pretty awesome. Then here, what is this one? I don't know what this is. Oh, I have to open it. Okay, what's in here? Another box. That's great. Box in a box. I'm thinking these are the sconces, maybe. Oh shoot, this is the chandelier. I thought it's too. All right. These are the antler chandelier. So, ooh, magical looking. That's pretty. Let's put these back. Shoot. All right, so maybe that's the sconces up there then. I thought that was the chandeliers, but I guess those boxes are too small to be chandeliers. Okay, these are chandeliers. Those must be the sconces. Beautiful. So excited. I think these are the sconces. Oh shoot. Oh shoot, that's heavy. Let's get this junk up. Alright. Ready? Pop it like it, drop it. Magic. Magical. Ugh. These antlers are not gonna match. These antlers look like this. Then these look like that. I guess it doesn't look that bad. Doesn't look that bad, right? I mean, if I have to, I can paint them. I was thinking something like this, one on each side. Maybe if we just have it a little bit higher, or I don't know. This is what we got. We're gonna have to make it work. If I have to repaint them, I can. Dearlicious. Oh my goodness. So we were going to do a whiskey barrel sink with like a horse thingy, and we might still do that, but we ran out of money, so we did this instead. Real simple. It'll follow the theme with all the other stuff. It's pretty exciting. All right, I think we're done. Made a big mess. Such a big mess. Are we supposed to burn this? Does it do toxic air? I don't know. I'm not worried about it. Not today. All right. I'm so excited. This is going to be so much fun. So much fun. And, oh, look, chicken head everywhere. Yeah, so that is my day here at our awesome hacienda. This is totally the next video you totally need to watch. Please subscribe.